Hi, my name's Jeremy Velarde, and I'm a design engineer here at Foyt Racing. So the machine I got behind me is the WAZER Pro. Before we got the WAZER, primarily it's bandsawing out the general silhouette of the parts and then heading over to the mill for the more precise hole drills. Obviously, when you're doing things by hand, they just don't quite come out the same all the time. But the WAZER is definitely a lot quicker at manufacturing. 0.58-inch aluminum. Load that up into the bed. We've cut 1/4-inch steel already, and primarily a lot of sheet stock of aluminum, occasionally stainless. Having a Waterjet in general is clean work. The parts come out straight and you don't have a lot of sharp burrs or heat affected zones like you would with plasma cutting or lasers. The best part is that once I have a program all loaded up, if we need another part, you can just click go again and get another one right in your hands. It's a gearbox cover plate. So basically the gear stack that's inside the transmission all comes out the back here. And whenever we take the gears out for gear changes and such, it's keep something that's covered up from debris. Just want to show you an example of how we use the WAZER here at Trackside. So here's a steering center lock that we typically use on the car. We had an issue with the old bars that we had here that basically limited how much angle we can get out of the wheel. So I was able to draw this up really quick on SolidWorks and get it cut out on the WAZER to use at the Trackside pretty quickly here. And same thing on this side. We switched over from a 3-bolt to a 6-bolt QD, and I was able to cut that out within the hour basically, so worked out pretty quick. Yeah, getting the WAZER Pro is actually super easy. It came on a pallet, all of the instructions were clearly labeled. The WAZER taking DXFs is actually pretty intuitive. There are a ton of free 2D CAD softwares out there that are simple as drawing on paper and putting some dimensions to it. I was having a backflow issue with the abrasive. Basically walked over to my desk, sent an email over to WAZER, and before I even walked back up to the machine, I'd already got an email back with exactly how to fix the issues. My favorite part of using the WAZER is that it's definitely designed around the user experience. It just works every time. Pretty clean machine. It's self-cleaning to an extent where it's actually collecting the abrasive constantly while you're cutting. So in between cuts, if you're emptying that and the tank once in a while just to get various bits that fall in there or extra sand, it's super easy.